Unveiling the secrets of trees, nature's silent giants shedding tree. Diverse species, there are over 60,000 known tree species on Earth. Oldest trees, the oldest known tree is a bristlecone pine named Methuselah, which is over 4,800 years old. Carbon absorption, an average tree can absorb as much as 48 pounds of carbon dioxide per year. Oxygen production, a single large tree can provide a day's supply of oxygen for up to 4 people. Tree communication, trees can communicate with each other through a network of fungi in the soil, often referred to as the wood wide web. Record holders, the tallest tree in the world is a coast redwood named Hyperion, which stands at over 379 feet tall. Tree longevity, trees are the longest living organisms on Earth. Environmental impact, trees help reduce urban heat islands by providing shade and releasing water vapor into the air. Do you have a favorite type of tree or any specific aspect of trees you're curious about?